flower blooms upon the spray, where red, green, white the little branches swell, with the sweet savor at the turn of May. I sing as all the other birds do tell, for as a bird I hold myself, I stress. Since I dare wish the best, I must confess, to wish I dare and have a heart I own, but dare not tell my heart I cast it down. I am no lover, nor pretend such play, that I address no lady, nor compel. Nor court, yet it avails me anyway, for false, vexatious slanderers truth to tell. Discourteous, base, ill-taught with lies they press, have said of me so meddling, I confess. They make believe the noblest of renown holds me in joy with longing of her own. Since without lady love song none can say, a servant is fresh, new I now will tell. Since they think to chastise in warlike way our Baron, the Lord of Bordel, and force him to be frank with courteousness, ill will he fare if still he is churlishness, until each one has joy when answers shown, nor vex them though he pluck and shear their gown. Shame will he have if thus he wastes his day in limousine where he's drawn such quarrel. So many towers, walls and works in array, and raised and melted many a citadel. So much wealth seized and given in excess, so many blows dealt, taken in the press, so much hunger, thirst and slumber down, as he has drawn from Agen to Nontron town. Rasa for you they cry and weep, they say, in limousine from here to Montmoril. For your own good you've done them hurt this way, so said Amos and the Lord of Martel, and Taillefer and Folcos and Joffres, and all who with you were in league confess, they have no peace through you as may be known, but do their will yonder to Count Raymond. Cervantes, go to Raymond Gauceran today, that a pie knows, and thus my reason spell, for high are his words and his demands, I say, for her who holds Cabriera from Urgel. To my friend grace and thanks I now profess, from Berg Eden, whose joy did me possess, who turned my heart to gladness as I own, when we two parted at the bridge's crown. Others to the world's best crown.